Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. Today we will discuss about another data structure called queue. So in stack, for adding any element in stack, we use push function. For removing any element, we use pop function. For getting any element in stack, we use top function. Here stack is a leaf-semantic. That means the element come last will get out first, last in first out. Here in queues, queue is the FIFO semantic. That means the element come first in queue will go out first. Now for adding in queue we use enqueue. For removing we use dequeue. For getting element we use peek function. Where in Java library the enqueue is used as add function, the dequeue used as remove function, and for peek it use the peek function. So let us see the behavior of queue. So let us take a queue. So this is our queue. Now if we want to add any element, it will add in queue from the last of the queue. Now at 20, it will add 20 from the last of the queue. Now at 30, it will add 30 from the last of the queue. Here we can see the adding of element are from the last of the queue. Now if we ask for the peak value, it will give us this 10 value. Now if we ask for remove, it will remove this 10 and give us this 10 value. Now if we again ask for remove, it will remove this 20 and give us this 20 value. Now if we again ask for remove, it will remove the last element and give us this element 30. Now here we can see the removing of element is from the front of the queue. That is, from the front of the queue means the element come first will be start from the front. For example, if we add 10, it add from the last. Now add 20, it add from the last. Now add 30, it is added at the last. Now if we removed, the first value come is 10. So the removing of element is from the front of the queue. So let us see the implementation of queue. Now for implementing it, the syntax of queue is like this: queue integer queue name is equal to new array dequeue. Now let us add some values. Queue at 10. Let us print the queue. Let us run this question. Here we can see the 10 is added in our queue. Let us add again and another value. Let us add 20. The 20 is added from the last of the queue. Add again. Let us add 30. Now the value is added from the last of the queue. Let us remove the value from the queue. Now queue dot remove. Now print all the elements of the queue. Let us run this. Here we can see 10 is removed, where 10 is at the front of the queue and it is removed. The remaining element is 20 and 30. Let us remove again. Now print the queue. Here again the value is removed from the front of the queue. Let us ask for the peak of the queue. Here the peak of the queue is 10. This gives me the peak value of the queue. So first we have added 10, then we have added 20. Here the 20 is added. Now we have added 30 is added. Now we have asked for the peak. For the peak we have get the 10 value. Now we have removed. Now 10 is removed from the queue and the remaining elements are 20 and 30. So this is the queue. Hope you liked the video. Please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.